So hello guys, it is me Govinda from hustler2.com. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a landing page for digital product. Alright, so this is the topic of this video, and I'm just going to show you how you can do that. Alright, so as you can see, there is one page here that I have opened for you. So here you can see that I am by the way, this is just a demo page. I'm not selling anything here, but you can just see what it is here, right? So you can think of like it is your real product that you are selling. So for example, this is an ebook. This is an ebook, by the way. So here are the things that I'm selling. For example, if you want to receive this book as an ebook, it is $10. But if you would like to have a hardcover, then it's going to cost you more. Okay, and also there are a few things here. For example, who is this book for, and about this product section, and the customer, the customer, what they are saying about the product, whoever the purchased the product, as well as the founder or the creator of the product about, and also more info about the product, and buy link here. So if someone buys on it, they should be taken to the next page where they can fill out the form and then place an order. Okay, so this is how you can set up the pages. Okay, similarly, there is another page here that I have, and then what I am doing here is I'm also selling one of the course here. So if someone wants to have this course, then they get free access to the first course by putting your name and email address, and once they click on this button, then they will be taken to the next step. So let me just go ahead and show you the step that I have created for this product here. Okay, so as you can see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, including privacy policy. There are 6 pages, but most of the time this 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the 4 things that really matter. So for example, if someone comes to this page, and then if they put your email address, and then they will be taken to this page. Okay, so here they can see the first video that we have, just promise that once they put their email address, then they will see the first video of the course for free, which is this. So, but if they want to have the entire course, then they need to go to this link and they will be taken to this page. Okay, so this is the third page here. Okay, so this is called a payment page. So once they click on that button, they will be taken here and they will get to know more information about the product. And then if they decide to pay, then they put their email address, they put everything that needs. Okay, and then finally they will be taken to the thank you page. Okay, so the thank you page looks just like this. Okay, and then once they click on this start the course button, then they will be taken to the course that they have purchased. So I haven't purchased, this is why I'm taken here. But if any customer goes through this page and lands on this page after getting that free things, then they will get access to the course. Okay, so the question is how to create such a funnel to sell digital product. So there are many ways that you can go after. You can even make things, let's say you can try Shopify and sell the digital product. You can sell the digital product on WordPress, and in my opinion, you can sell digital products such as course or ebook or any other software on this platform called Systeme.io. Okay, so this platform is completely free. Okay, as you may already know, this is free platform, and you can make up to 3 funnels for completely free. So as you can see, I'm on a free plan currently on this account, because I also have another account and I'm not currently working on that account. So this is the account that I'm currently working, and I have 3 funnels here. And let's say I have already added product here. So let me just go to the course section. This is where I have added to the course. Okay, so this is one course, which is my product of course, right? And then what happens is that I have linked this course. So this is an introduction, this is part 1, part 2, and part 3, right? If I want to add more lecture, I can just go ahead and do that. Okay, but for now I just don't want that, so I have just created simple funnel here, and that's what you can do. And there is another thing as well here. I'm just going to show you another funnel. This looks just like this. So creating such funnel on system.io is very easy. You can easily do that. Okay, let me just go ahead and show you one of the thing that you can try. Okay, and then after watching this video, you can just do it on your own and see how you can do this. Okay, it's very easy. So for example, let's say you go through the link that I have added in the description, and then want to create maybe you went through the things and you just set up the account and want to create a funnel. So once you're here, you will find nothing here because that would be new account for you. So create button is here, click on that and just name the funnel that you want to try. So I have just named as demo. And what is my purpose, right? What is the funnel goal, right? Building audience, selling product, custom, or run, and evergreen webinar. So in this case, I'm going to build an audience first. Okay, so through marketing or email marketing, that is the strat, and then through which we build the audience, and finally we sell the product. So as you can see, there are thousands of templates here. Okay, for example, you can just choose this one, as you can just preview the template how it looks, right? So you don't really have to start from the very scratch and do the things. You can easily replace this funnel with your content, right? By the way, you should have content, you should do the copywriting, everything, but this funnel can easily be replaced, and all you have to do is smart work. Okay, never do the hard work here. So you see the page looks awesome, so just select the page and then boom, there you go. So you have the first welcome page, or let's say the first page of your product. So what you can do, you can just replace this thing with your product. You can ask for information that you need, and then just let's say you want to edit the page, you don't know, so click on edit page here. Okay, and then you will be taken to the editor here. This is how it is going to open. So you can remove these things. For example, you just want to create a funnel, so you don't want to keep this thing here, so remove them. Why do you need them, right? Or you can just change anything that you want. For example, you don't want the last name, so remove them. Okay, and or maybe you even don't want the first one here, so remove that. Okay, remove even this one. Or let's say you want to have name. So what you want to do is, let's say you want to have a name here with this stat. So there is the first name, okay, and there is an email. So you just have to manage these things a bit here. So let's go to the margin section and then make a separate to this. You should keep some margin in between this line. Okay, so perfect. So here's your first name, there's an email. So you're promoting free things first, or maybe whatever your goal, whatever your product, whatever that you have planned for. Okay, so change the way that you want. You can change the text. So simply remove the things that have and get this free course, right? Try get this free course now, for example, right? You can change the text. You can just click select the thing first and then change the text color from here. Okay, and then change the heading if you want, and boom, right? And similarly, you can change anything. You can change the image that you have added here. Okay, as well as every single thing on this page can be changed and replaced with your own content. Okay, so after doing this, click on Save Changes and then just exit out of this page. So once you exit out of this page, now it depends on your product or on your marketing strategy or whatever strategy that you are having to sell these products. So if you want to have multiple pages here, you can add the pages, type of page that you want to add. Maybe you want to add another inline form, pop-up, or let's say you want to have a squeeze page again, right? So you can just add the squeeze pages. For example, that would be the first page, and this is the second, where you ask them for more information, right? So you can just keep here. So this will be the first page that someone will see, and once they go through that page, they will be taken to this page, and you can tell them, hey, you know what, we have got, so let's say if they come through these pages, this was the first page. So now you just select this template here and then edit the template the way you want, and then from that very first page, I think this was the first page that I just removed anyway. So from that page, you take them to this page. Okay, so you should design on the way that you want. Okay, so you need to know your branding and all everything. For example, you should know your colors, your fonts, and your product, and the information you should have, and every single thing can be easily customized here. Okay, so once you just go through these things and create them first time, let's say you are just creating for the first time, testing this platform, then I tell you, or I recommend you to go with the very simple funnel where you make squeeze page. This is the squeeze page, and you don't want this page, for example. Remove this page and you just keep the separate very simple thank you page. Okay, so select the funnel, select the funnel for this thank you page as well, and then you can view how the thank you page look, and then you should connect these pages with each other. For example, let's say you are running ad on this page. This is your very first page. So once someone put the name and email address, you want to make sure the person is taken to the next they will be taken. First step is to send the form so that the email address will be sent to you. The email address will be saved in the backend here in the same tool, or through which you can do the email marketing. So you have the email address and everything that you can remarket them or send them email again in the future. And then the next step is that take to the next step, for example. So which means, so if you save this one this way, now what happens is that when they put their information that you have asked on the first page, they will be adding this information, and once they hit that button, so let me just go ahead and show you how this is work. So this is my name, this is my email address, and if I click on these things, I should be taken to the thank you page here, right? So this is very simple. So the email address that I have just received is here. Okay, so here is my email address that I just received. So this is just for demo purpose. I'm just going to delete. So this is as simple as it is. Okay, so I hope this helps. So if you want more information and detailed videos like how to create from the scratch and set up everything and do the business properly, then I'll be making more videos in the coming days. So you can subscribe to the channel. That way you get more videos from me in the future. All right, so that's all for this video. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching. I'll be back with a new video. Till then, bye bye.